Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies out of Oreos. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, line an 8x8-inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. This makes removal much easier. Now, let's gather our simple ingredients to begin this delicious baking adventure. Next, let's prepare the delicious base. Take 30 of your Oreo cookies and crush them into fine crumbs. A food processor works best, but a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin are also effective. Combine these crumbs with 1/2 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of your lined 8x8-inch baking pan. This forms your delightful brownie crust. Now for the creamy center. In a separate bowl, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Then, incorporate 1 egg, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients until they are just combined and the mixture is light and fluffy. Spread this luscious cream cheese mixture evenly over your Oreo crust. Almost done, take the remaining 6 Oreo cookies and roughly chop them. Sprinkle these chopped pieces evenly over the cream cheese layer. Bake your brownies in the preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center is just slightly jiggly. Let them cool completely before cutting and serving. Enjoy your homemade Oreo brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.